Are you ready to take charge of your diabetes? Do you dream of stable blood sugar levels and a healthier, more energetic life? With the right information and a bit of effort, you can transform your health. Subscribing to our channel gives you access to a wealth of knowledge and support on your diabetes journey. This essay is your roadmap to the ultimate diabetic diet plan. We'll delve into the crucial link between food and diabetes management. Discover the power of specific foods to regulate your blood sugar and boost your overall well-being. This isn't just about restrictions, it's about making delicious and satisfying choices that nourish your body. Join us as we unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Diabetes affects how your body uses glucose, the sugar that fuels our cells. For people with diabetes, this process is disrupted, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. This can have serious consequences for your health if left unmanaged. But here's the good news, your diet plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar. By choosing foods that promote stable blood sugar and avoiding those that cause spikes, you gain control. It's like having a superpower over your health. Imagine a car running smoothly on the right fuel. That's what a diabetes-friendly diet does for your body. It provides the right nutrients in the right amounts, keeping your engine running strong. Let's talk about the delicious part, the food. Specific foods act like superheroes for diabetes management. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with fiber and nutrients while being low in carbohydrates. Fiber is your best friend. It slows down sugar absorption, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds offer healthy fats, fiber, and protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And don't forget about lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils. They provide essential amino acids without the unhealthy, saturated fat found in red meat. By incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals, you're not just eating for pleasure, you're eating for a healthier, more energetic you. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and that's especially true for managing diabetes. A balanced breakfast sets the tone for stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Start your day with a fiber-rich oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Or try a scrambled egg white omelet loaded with spinach, mushrooms, and a side of whole grain toast. These options provide a steady release of energy, preventing those mid-morning crashes and cravings. Remember, a well-fueled body is better equipped to manage blood sugar effectively. Section 5. Lunchtime Recharge, Deliciously Diabetic-Friendly. Lunchtime is the perfect opportunity to refuel your body with another dose of diabetes-fighting nutrients. A large salad with grilled chicken or fish, a variety of colorful vegetables, and a light vinaigrette dressing is a great option. Another idea is a hearty vegetable soup with a side of whole grain bread. These meals are packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, keeping you full and satisfied until dinner. The key is to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of refined carbohydrates, as these can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Section 6. Dinner Delights, Satisfying and Blood Sugar Smart. Dinner doesn't have to be boring when you're following a diabetic diet plan. Get creative with flavorful and nutritious meals that won't spike your blood sugar. Try baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Another delicious option is a lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. The possibilities are endless. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods, lean protein sources, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. Section 7. Snack Attack, Healthy Bites to keep you going. Snacking can be your secret weapon in managing diabetes. Healthy snacks help stabilize blood sugar levels between meals and prevent overeating later in the day. Reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts, a small apple with peanut butter, or a few whole grain crackers with hummus. These snacks provide a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, keeping your blood sugar steady and your energy levels up. Remember, portion control is key, even with healthy snacks. It's easy to overeat if you're not mindful. Section 8. Real-life success stories. Inspiration from others. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals living with diabetes have transformed their health and well-being by adopting a diabetes-friendly diet. Take, for example, Sarah, a 45-year-old woman diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. She struggled with fluctuating blood sugar levels and constant fatigue. After incorporating more vegetables, fruits, and lean protein into her diet and reducing her intake of processed foods and sugary drinks, Sarah experienced a dramatic improvement in her blood sugar control and overall energy levels. John, a 55-year-old man with type 2 diabetes, also experienced significant improvements in his health after switching to a whole foods-based diet. He lost weight, lowered his blood sugar levels, and reduced his dependence on medication. These stories demonstrate the incredible power of food as medicine. Section 9. Take control of your health. Start today. You've now been equipped with the knowledge and tools to embark on your journey to ultimate diabetes control. Remember, you're not alone in this. By adopting a diabetic-friendly diet, you're making a powerful investment in your health and well-being. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, such as swapping sugary drinks for water, choosing whole grains over refined grains, and adding more vegetables to your plate. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you experience setbacks along the way. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing support, recipes, and inspiration. Together, let's take control of our health and live our lives to the fullest.